Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. In one of my online courses, I have a particular student who's always struck me as being very strong-willed and very independently minded. She's the kind of woman that you can tell doesn't take any shit. She doesn't take any nonsense from people. And I'd noticed before in our online classes that she has tattoos down her arm and on her hand. So maybe you can imagine my surprise when she turned up in class the other day wearing not only a large pair of pink headphones but also a matching pink t-shirt. I was quite taken aback by the matchy colour-coded nature of this particular outfit, and I expressed my surprise by saying, "You're looking very pink today. I didn't have you down as such a girly girl." If you say that you didn't have somebody down as something, you're basically expressing your surprise on finding out that they are a bit like this. For example, last week when I was at the IELTS conference in Belfast, I ran into an old friend of mine who told me he'd been in London recently for a White Snake concert. White Snake were a kind of famous heavy metal band back in the 70s and 80s, and I really had no idea that my friend was into this kind of music. I'd always assumed he was more into disco or techno or something. So again, I expressed my surprise by saying, "What, you were over for a White Snake concert? Wow, I didn't have you down as a fan of 80s metal." In the same way, my daughter recently did very well in one of her tests at school. And when I congratulated her and said how well she'd done, she said, "Yeah, I'm happy about it, but I worry now that the other students are going to have me down as a bit of a nerd." In other words, they're going to start thinking that I'm a bit of a nerd, even though I'm not. I'm not really like that. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button, share it with your friends and with your students and colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use "have someone down as something" mistakenly.